Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring USDT from your Phantom wallet to KuCoin is a breeze once you know the steps. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this safely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just move your assets around, this guide has got you covered. First things first, make sure you have both Phantom wallet and a KuCoin account set up. You'll need some USDT in your Phantom wallet, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication on KuCoin for extra security. It's 2025, after all, and safety comes first. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension on your device. If you're on a mobile, tap the app icon. On desktop, click the extension. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the USDT token from your list of assets. This will show you your balance and give you options to send or receive. Step 2. Head over to your KuCoin account. Log in securely, go to your wallet section, and find your USDT deposit address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully, as it's a long string of characters. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Solana or Ethereum, depending on where your USDT is held in Phantom. Mismatches here can lead to lost funds, so stay sharp. Step 3. Back in Phantom, hit the Send button for your USDT. Paste the KuCoin address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. You'll see fees and estimated times. Network congestion can vary, but in 2025, things are faster than ever. Step 4. Confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once it's sent, keep an eye on the Blockchain Explorer to track its progress. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything's working right. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you can afford to lose. If you run into issues, check KuCoin's support or Phantom's help center. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Phantom to KuCoin in 2025. Give it a try, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.